Hello, I'm Cassie. Today I will introduce our old product and the design of the bus shelter. Its main structure is a 3mm gravel-9 pipe. The frame is board and the suspension. The double rolling ceiling design have waterproof and internal wiring function. LED ceiling lights provide night lighting. The back panel is made of 10mm tempered glasses, which has excellent impact resistance. The advertising light box has an area of 4.6 square meters. The bench has 2 wireless change and 4 USB change. Wireless charging of 15 watts. iPhone can charge 16% in 90 minutes. While charging has 2 interfaces, USB and Type-C, which can adjust to 36 watts. The bus shelter is equipped with Wi-Fi. People can use their waiting time to go live and improve their travel experience. Decorate with LED side lights. The side light board is used for advising and displaying information on bus routes. The brightness of the outer light board is 8,000 nits. You can see it very clear on a sunny afternoon. The welding point of product are uniform, and the surface is pretty flat and smooth. The bus shelter is designed for Africa. It is not according to local culture.